Hey you guys, I'm currently in the Trader Joe's parking lot, if you can see it right there. And I heard they got all their fall stuff, so I'm going in to get a few fall things. I don't know what I'm gonna get, I have no idea. I'm just gonna kind of walk around and see what catches my eye, and I just want to take you guys with me. I know I'm not supposed to film in there, but I'm gonna try and film as much as I can anyway, and then I'm gonna take it to my house and I'm gonna show you guys everything I got. So I'm so excited. I love Trader Joe's. I love their fall stuff. I always get a few candles. I love their gluten-free pumpkin bread mix and a few other things, so I'm just excited to see what they have, and I'm excited to take you guys with me. Oh, and to side note, I have two Trader Joe's bags. So I have this white one and then this red one, so I'm gonna bring them both in. I don't know if I'm gonna need both of them, but I'm gonna bring them in just in case. And yeah, so let's go inside and get some fall stuff. Okay, I had so much fun in there. I got definitely a lot more. My goal was $50. I spent $75, and I don't know. I try not to feel guilty about spending money on like healthier food. I know I did get a few treats and stuff, but I feel like food is like what keeps me alive, and I could spend that money on other things. But yeah, if there's a place I could save, I definitely try and save. But for the most part, I try to buy organic vegetables of the Dirty Dozen and things like that. But I feel like my health is so important, so the amount of money I spend on my groceries isn't like the biggest deal to me. So yeah, so I spent $75, and I'll take you guys to my house and when I unload everything and show you. But this bag is full of all the stuff that isn't for the freezer, and then this is my freezer bag because it's insulated. So you can buy this bag, I think it was like $5. But this is nice if you live far away from a Trader Joe's. I used to live like an hour and a half away from Trader Joe's, so when I'd go, it's nice to have a cooler bag like this. And then this one is just for like anything that doesn't need to be refrigerated. So yeah, makes it very convenient. And I'm just gonna head home and then finish showing you guys what I got. Okay you guys, I'm back from Trader Joe's, and I just want to run through really quick everything that I got. You know what, I'm just gonna get into it and start with the freezer stuff first and then work my way to the other stuff. So these aren't really fall. A lot of the items I got aren't fall, they were just things I needed. I ran out of mango. I make a green smoothie with mango every single morning. So I got 2 bags because every morning I make a smoothie and I need my mango. I got 2 of these bowls. I saw these on somebody's haul and they looked really good. So they're a riced cauliflower bowl made with tahini sauce, chickpeas, sweet potatoes, tofu, and onions. These are vegan and I believe they're gluten-free, so I'm excited to try these. I also bought this riced cauliflower butternut squash risotto. I thought it looked really good, and I really enjoy risotto, especially this time of year. So these are also gluten-free. It contains milk and egg, and it looks pretty good, so I'm excited to give this a try. The next thing I got are these Thai mochi. So me and my sister, we hung out this week, and there's a vlog coming soon about our night together, but we got mochi together and it was so good, so I've been kind of craving it. So this is the Thai tea, and I believe this is in the fall, they're like fall lineup or whatever. So they're also non-dairy, which is super nice, and they're gluten-free. I'm really excited to try these. I love mochi and I love Thai tea, so I think it'll be good. Okay, as far as meats go, I always get these. These are the garlic herb sausage. So one sausage has 130 calories, 7 grams of fat, zero carbs, and 17 grams of protein. So I love making these with the Trader Joe's frozen rice. And then I also always like to get this turkey summer sausage. I like to eat it with cheese and crackers or just by itself. It's really good. It also has 4 grams of fat, 12 grams of protein, and 2 carbs for 1/4 of it. So it's actually pretty good, pretty high in protein. And yeah, so onto veggies. I got broccoli, green beans, both organic, and then organic power greens for my smoothies. So again, Every morning I have a green smoothie. I also make Taylor a green smoothie, so I always have to make sure I have my greens. Okay, now for like the more fallish stuff. Actually, I don't know. I don't think these are fallish, but I got these tortilla chips. They're seasoned with Brussels sprouts, garlic, onion, and parsley, so they sound really healthy, which I'm into. And they're gluten-free, and they're a trace of lime, which will be really yummy. So I'm excited to try these. I got 2 of the fall gluten-free baking mixes. So I got the gluten-free pumpkin bread. Oh, I love this stuff. I've had this for I don't even know how many years in a row. Every fall I always make sure to get a few of these because it's so good. When you bake it, it's really soft and it's just really tasty. So if you're gluten-free, if there's like one thing I'd recommend, I would definitely recommend this bread. It's so delicious. And then I also got gluten-free cornbread, and I'm gonna try and trick Taylor into eating this. I'm not gonna tell him it's gluten-free. Sometimes I trick him and I tell him that like I made 2 separate things, but he's actually eating the gluten-free thing because I don't actually want to make 2 different things. So yeah, so this is just gluten-free cornbread, and I'm really into chili, and I always like making chili in my Instant Pot, so I'm gonna make this with some chili one night. So I have these peanut butter pretzels, and I always put them in this clear jar up on this shelf for Taylor so that he has an easy to go, like an easy snack to just grab and go. So these are the peanut butter filled pretzels. They're not gluten-free. I don't eat them, but they're for Taylor. I got some gluten-free rolled oats. I'm gonna be making my own oat milk because oat milk is really expensive, and I love, love, love oat milk. It's my new favorite thing to put in any drinks that I have, like matcha, chai, whatever I'm drinking, I put oat milk in it. And so you need to have rolled oats to make that. And I also just bought a nut milk bag, so I'm so excited, and I will be doing a video on how I make oat milk coming soon. So this is gluten-free oatmeal. They're little packs, and I actually just take these to my desk at work, and anytime I'm hungry or if I don't bring a breakfast, I try and bring breakfast every day, but if I forget, I just have these in my desk. I add hot water. They have honey and cinnamon at work, and if your work doesn't have honey and cinnamon, just bring your own. And then they have almond milk at work too, or my own oat milk that sometimes I bring, so I just like to make these at work if I get hungry. Taylor loves pepper jack cheese, and actually, since we got married, I actually kind of started loving it too, so we just like to have this on hand for sandwiches or cheese and crackers or whatever. Sometimes we even put it on our eggs. We'll just like break it up into little pieces and put it on our eggs. It's pretty good. These aren't on the fall list. I'm pretty sure you can get these all year round because we get them quite a bit, and they're the ABC bars. They're almond butter cocoa bars flavored with other natural flavors. They're soft and chewy chocolatey dough with creamy almond butter filling. They're more of a treat. Like, they kind of look like a granola bar, but they're definitely very sweet. It kind of caught me off guard how sweet they were, but they're really good. So if you're ever needing like a little treat or something, I would recommend this. These are also gluten-free. They're vegan, and the only thing it contains is almond, so if you're allergic to almonds, don't eat this. I got some of the taco seasoning. It's like the fall version, and it just had some good clean ingredients. All that's in it is sea salt, cumin, cayenne pepper, cane sugar, paprika, onion, garlic, black pepper, red bell pepper, oregano, chili pepper, and smoked paprika. So there's not like a ton of preservatives or anything in it, and so I just think this was good. It was only 79 cents. And I love making tacos like with beef and lettuce. I know those aren't like authentic tacos, but that's what I make when I don't have time or don't feel like cooking something. Okay, my last 3 things. So the first thing are these green tea mints. I don't know if I've ever showed these before. They're not, again, they're not fall. You can get it at any time, but they're just right at the front. They're really good. They taste like green tea. They're just like a tasty little snack. So what's in them? Cane sugar, matcha green tea. No wonder I love them. It has matcha. And green tea extract, natural flavors, peppermint oil, honey granules, vegetable color, which is turmeric, red cabbage extract, and then just like a couple preservatives. Maybe they're not the best for you, but they're really tasty, and I just like to carry them in my purse. So if I need like something sweet, I just kind of like to eat those. I also got these Scandinavian swimmers, so I love the original ones, and I always put them in the freezer. So I'm curious if I could put these ones in the freezer, but they're sour, and I'm so excited to try these. My mouth is like honestly watering for them. So I love the original ones, and I'm excited to try the sour ones. Oh, and I also wanted to let you guys know, so last year I bought the gluten-free pumpkin pancake mix, and I personally did not like it. So I just want to put a little disclaimer out there. Maybe some of you think it's awesome. I didn't think it was good, and it's like the one thing at Trader Joe's that I don't like. I just ran out of cumin, so I just had to pick up some more cumin. And I also ran out of hand soap for my bathroom, so I bought some of the botanical Bounty hand soap, which I really like. And I've already gone through a whole one of these because I liked it so much, so I'm excited to have another one because we just ran out. Well, that's it for my fall Trader Joe's haul. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single week and I appreciate you all so much for watching. And I will see you guys next time.